Welcome to the studio. Today I have a special announcement. I am reopening my Sketchbook Blossoms workshop, but this time the online version, as I have pre-recorded the videos and the video sessions to make them available for a wider audience. With the current pandemic and the on-off lockdown systems going on, I thought it best to get involved in the Sketchbook Blossoms workshop on the online platforms instead of trying to get together and fit in everybody's schedules. This way, you get to go through each of the videos in your own time and sneak those little breakaways throughout your week so that you don't have to feel guilty about sitting down and escaping for a whole weekend at a time. I have re-recorded some areas of footage so that I can give you a better understanding of the processes. And today I am going to do a little bit of a flip through so that you can see what is inside the whole course. A sketchbook practice is a wonderful way to relax and find yourself again. You'll have complete access to the video links, and everything is presented on a PDF. So you simply need to sign into your online service provider, which would probably be Chrome or Microsoft or Google or whichever platform you choose. And by doing so, you can simply click on the links on that active PDF. I know that many of us are not used to working in this way, but this has worked for me very well. And because it's a self-guided sketchbook workshop, you get to pick out the lessons you want to focus on. So you can always reply on one of your emails and share some of your work with me, because we are building a community of friends who are all interested in flowers and sketchbook keeping, of course. So if you're a sketchbook lover, a flower lover, somebody who needs to break away for a few minutes, all of those things are good reasons to get your hands on the Sketchbook Blossoms workshop. The doors for that opens on the 1st of September 2021, and in the meantime you can jump on the wait list. So I left a few links in the bottom of the description for you, and you can click on any one of them. You can find me on my website as well and connect with me through there. It will be on there permanently because I want you to join in whenever you feel the need to be creative or just slip away. So get ready, as we are going to flip through this one and show you what is in store. I filled each page with as much creativity as I possibly could think of without being overly complicated. We are just having fun and doing a few things together. Thank you everybody. I'll see you in the next video.